Imagine a place where the pursuit of medical excellence intertwines with the allure of a city steeped in history. This is the University of Mostar, a beacon of higher education since 1977, nestled in the heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina. The University of Mostar is a vibrant academic community with 10 faculties, 1 academy, and 9 institutes. Each one is an emblem of academic diversity and a hub of innovation. At the center of this vast educational landscape, the Faculty of Medicine shines brightly, a place where future doctors are nurtured and guided. The Faculty of Medicine is a thriving part of the University of Mostar. It's a place where over 11,000 students, both local and international, learn from experienced faculty members. They gain practical experience at their affiliated clinical hospital, turning theory into practice, textbooks into living narratives. The charm of the city of Mostar itself is not to be overlooked. With its rich history and stunning landscapes, it becomes more than just a backdrop to your studies. It becomes a second home, a place that fosters a global learning environment, a city that welcomes with open arms. At their Faculty of Medicine, they offer a comprehensive 6-year medical program, and yes, it's taught entirely in English. But they don't just focus on theoretical knowledge, they believe in the power of hands-on experience. They encourage their students to actively participate in patient care and treatment, to learn at the coalface of medical practice. And for those who've begun their medical journey elsewhere, they provide a seamless pathway for transfers. Your grades and previous studies will be evaluated to ensure a smooth transition into their curriculum. Admission to the University of Mostar is a straightforward process through Medlink Students. They conduct an open competition for applicants with no entrance exams. They believe in equal opportunities, and all they ask for is a strong application and a high school leaving certificate with good grades. Their Faculty of Medicine is accredited by the World Directory of Medical Schools and the World Health Organization, fulfilling all the requirements set by the General Medical Council. With a diploma from the University of Mostar, you're not just getting a piece of paper. You're receiving a passport to a promising future, a ticket to practice medicine wherever your aspirations may take you. The University of Mostar Faculty of Medicine is more than just an institution. It's a place where education transcends borders, where every student's journey is celebrated. It's where your path to becoming a compassionate healer begins. We at Medlink Students can help you get accepted in University of Mostar and also support you through your whole journey as a medical student.